rap about frogs. Make sure to click the follow button. Here we go. Yo, check the mic, 1, 2. This a froggy debut. Amphibian realness, diverse and true. From any where they spring, no tail in the stride. Over 7,000 species, nowhere to hide. Lifespan swings wide, small ones go 3 to 6. Bigger ones hit 10, no simple short fix. Tiny pataphrene, a speck on your knee. Goliath, frog massive, as big as can be. Leaping like rockets, 20 times their own length. Tongues like a whip with incredible strength. Skin's got that breathability for water and air. Masters of camo, they blend anywhere. Loud croaking calls each species its own sound. Some packing venom on jungle ground. From deserts to tropics, they truly can roam. Golden poison dart, far from your home. Pest control heroes, they feast on the buzz. Bionicators tell us what's truly what was. Food for the predators, a link in the chain, helping the planet through sunshine or rain. I hope you enjoyed this. And remember to follow, like, and share with anyone who loves frogs!